PCEP is a certified entry-level Python course designed for beginners. This introductory course gives you an opportunity to dive into Python and computer programming with no specific prerequisites or prior knowledge required. It will guide you from a state of complete programming illiteracy to a level of programming knowledge which will allow you to design, write, debug, and run Python scripts, and to understand the basic concepts of software development technology. PCEP Certified Entry Level Python Programmer Certification is a professional credential that measures your ability to accomplish coding tasks related to the essentials of programming in the Python language. A test candidate should demonstrate sufficient knowledge of the universal concepts of computer programming, the syntax and semantics of the Python language, as well as the skills in resolving typical implementation challenges with the help of the Python Standard Library. PCEP certified entry-level Python programmer certifications shows that the individual is familiar with universal computer programming concepts like data types, containers, functions, conditions, loops, as well as Python programming language syntax, semantics, and the runtime environment. Becoming PCEP certified ensures that the individual is acquainted with the most essential means provided by Python 3 to enable him to start their own studies at an intermediate level and to continue their professional development. Becoming PCEP certified will help you stand out from other candidates and get your foot in the door. This program will be conducted with interactive lectures, PowerPoint presentations, discussions, and practical exercise. This course can be conducted as instructor-led or virtual instructor-led training. After completing this course, the candidates can join for the following job roles. Number 1, software developer. Number 2, data analyst. Number 3, AI engineer. Number 4, data engineer. Number 5, Python web developer. Number 6, DevOps engineer. Number 7, machine learning engineer, and many more. This course has been divided into the following portions. Number 1, basic concept, which covers 17% of the total course. Number 2, data types, evaluations, and basic I/O operations, which covers 20% of the course. Number 3, flow control, loops, and conditional blocks, which covers 20% of the course. Number 4, data collections, lists, tuples, and dictionaries, which covers 23% of the course. And lastly, number 5, function, which covers 20%.